In 2010, the 5 partner states signed up to the East African Community Common Market Protocol. And in Article 24 of this protocol governs the free movement of capital. And the key thing about this agreement is that there should be no discrimination in terms of the processes and procedures when one is transferring capital across the bloc. So there should be no discrimination based on the nationality of the person that's moving the money, the purpose for which it is being moved, and the likes. The East African community is still a long way to go in as far as creating a system for the free movement of capital as obligated by the Common Market Protocol. There are 20 operations that were agreed upon that should be free of hindrances. Of those, only two out of 20 are free of restrictions. And these are that people moving capital are able to lend externally outside the bloc, and they are also able to harvest proceeds from sale of assets. But all other operations have at least one restriction that prevents them from working as they should. The private sector is really the lubricant of the economy. It drives international transactions, it drives opportunities. For that reason, rulemaking within the common market, implementation of the common market, and even monitoring the achievement of the common market needs to be done from a private sector lens. And the Trade Hub is working very closely and reaching out to the private sector in the region to ensure that their input in the implementation process of the common market is felt more strongly, and we believe that that will add to the quality of the decisions and the monitoring aspects of the common market. Because of that, we expect that businesses should be able to trade with fewer barriers across the borders. We expect that investors should be able to invest and run operations on an equal keel with domestic investors, and we also do expect that proper governance takes root even more in the corporate sector, because international capital is flowing within the markets and there's more information discovery, and therefore we think that it could only be for the better of the common market.